Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. So on today's topic, I'm going to be taking us on how to make a male's pants. And if you find this video helpful, please subscribe, like, share, and drop a comment. Thank you. I love you. Mwah. So let's get into it. First of all, I'll shape out the side of my pants with my ruler. I'll carefully shape it out. Carefully, don't rush. Just calm down and do these things. I'll shape it down to the ankle. So next, I'm going to mark out my baseline. Then measure out the length of my trouser. The length is 40 and 3 inches allowance. I like using 3 inches because, so you can use 2 inches, but I like using 3 inches because these fabrics can be funny at times. So I'll extend the line down to the extra inches. Then I'll divide my waist by 4. My waist circumference, and add the measurements there. Add 1 inch, sorry. Next, I'll mark out my flap length. Now I get my flap length by dividing my waist into 4, then add 2 inches. So this one is 40. 12 is the flap. Then I would mark I'll mark my thigh line and add my thigh circumference. The thigh is usually divided by 2. The waist and hip is divided by 4. But from the thigh down to the ankle is divided by 2. So I'll mark out my knee line. My knee line is the length of the trouser divided by 2. Then I'll mark out my ankle line. So after that, I would start imputing the leg circumference. That's the knee circumference. Then that's the ankle. After that, I had to impute the calf circumference. It's usually 2 to 3 inches below the knee, depending on the height of the person. So that's my calf circumference.